If you like easy, you'll like my AlmontSizer software. It's quick to download and use because there's no installation. Just open a browser like Google Chrome. You'll need to carefully type http://ic4k.com/ALMONT_SIZER.exe. Press enter and the program will be on your computer. But you'll have to override the warnings like you see here. I'm not interested in jumping through all the hoops to guarantee security to Google or Microsoft. Just click Keep like you see here. Next, you'll need to select Show in Folder to open the Downloads folder window like you see here. In the Downloads folder window, you'll see the program AlmontSizer with the red Windows icon. Right-click the icon and select Cut. Then close the two windows. Right-click on the desktop and select Paste. Now double-click the icon and the last warning screen will pop up. Yes, my app is not recognized, but I assure you that there's no risk. Click More Info and then click Run Anyway. If you're using the trial version, a small window will pop up telling you are limited to 6 saved images. Click OK and choose Portrait Orientation or Landscape, which is like regular TV. We chose Landscape and the application opens. Click Start here and open an image file in a folder on your computer. I have a folder here labeled Photos with full-sized images inside. Verify that it's the folder you want to use and then click Open. To auto-fit the image, just click the Auto-Fit button, which fits the whole image in the window. That's often a good way to begin. Click Start here and save. A folder is automatically created and the saved image is automatically named with the appropriate number. This is one of the features that makes things super easy. This gadget lets you adjust the zoom size and you see the percentage in the white box. You can click and change the percentage from 10 to 200%. Then press the Enter key. The scroll bar on the right and on the bottom lets you easily position the image in the frame. There are often many photos within a single photo, and zooming in and easily repositioning is an awesome feature made simple.